Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Tech and Crypto's YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can generate business logos using Bing app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on Bing app and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Bing apps on in the screen, where you can see the Copilot option just down below of this dashboard. Simply tap over there, and now make sure you enable the GPT-4, and you simply need to give a command over here. So simply give your business command, the logo that you want, and finally AI gonna generate for you successfully. So basically this is how you can generate business logo using Bing app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.